Hey everybody, what's up? So we're going to go over presentation to an investor or lender. So first in the beginning, you want to put your name, address, city, state, zip, email address, phone number, the date that you're asking for the money, or as a partnership, um, you know, the recipient's name, their designation, your company, organization, their company, organization, their address, city, zip, whole nine yards. Then you want to go to the subject, which is a proposal for real estate investing funding or partnership. Then you want to write dear and then whatever their name is. And you want to write something on the line of, I hope this letter, finds you well. I'm writing to present a proposal for real estate investing funding, and I believe there's a significant opportunity for growth and to make real money, whether it's, a profit, a one-time profit for a fix and flip or for a passive income, anything on that level. Two, you want to do what's called an executive summary. So provide a brief overview of your proposal. Just highlight the key points of your proposal. This is the amount of money we'll make. This is the amount of time we'll make it. Or we'll make, $700 a month consistently for this amount of time. We'll have the house paid off in this time. You just want to highlight all of the key points and put everything in the very beginning of it so they don't have to read the whole entire thing to actually get the idea of it, right? You want to catch their attention right away so they continue reading. Then you want to go into the investment opportunity. Um, Detailed information about the investment, where it is, the comps in the area, how much money is going to have to go into it, unique selling points or advantages that's going to, help you push this deal through and to get the income and or partnership that you're looking to get, right? So that's the opportunity base. Now your strategy. You're going to go into, the type of property that it is, whether it's residential, commercial, or it's residential zone for commercial. The targeted market segment, the approach that you take, which is going to generate a return. Again, this is based on how much you're going to make in what amount of time, how much meat is on the bone, which means how much equity is going to be established in the deal. So let's use an example. You buy a property for 100,000, you put 80 into it, now it's worth 300,000. We could do an 80% cash out refi at 240, put 50 into our pockets, and then have the extra 20% equity sitting in the property where either they could buy you out or you could buy them out within a time period. So you want to break it down, exactly what you want to do step by step because you're playing with people's money here, right? So if you're playing with somebody's money, they want to know exactly how you're going to use it, what you're going to use it on, and exactly every step that you're looking to take and the amount of time that they're going to get their investment back. And their investment's going to bring them some friends back. Then you need a business plan. This is the important part. This is a detailed financial, speculation or analysis for the projected income, expenses as well, and the timeline, which is okay, it's going to take me 6 months, or okay, we can hold this property together for this amount of time. We'll use this property in 3 years to scale to get another one. And you just kind of want to break down exactly word for word what you're wanting to do from this one property and how you're looking to scale this property. Or if it's just a one time thing, that's okay as well. That's no problem. Now, the funding request, you want to specify the amount of funding that you're going to need from this and where all their money is going to go and when you're willing to pay them back, right? So you're going to let them know, for the property's acquisition, the renovation, the cost, if there's any, marketing expenses, which is advertisement and real estate fees, and then your working capital to actually the holding cost on it. So you want to break down like the taxes, the insurance, no mortgage because they're paying cash, but you need to break down all the expenses and let them know where every single dollar, again, of their money is going. Now you have the ROI, which is the return on investment. So this needs to be detailed and you need to break down. So you lend me this amount of money, this much went to this, and this is the amount of money, you're looking to get. Just like my previous example, um, let's use another example: 100,000 on the property, 60K in the reno. Now the property is worth $300,000. That leaves 160,000 meat on the bone. The real estate agent's going to cost 5%, closing costs of 2%, another 3,000, 4,000 for the lawyer. So we're looking to make $90,000 on this deal. It'll be a 50-50 cut: 45,000 to you, 45,000 for me. I'll do all the work, and this is what I'll do, and these are the timelines that I have. This is what you're going to get as your ROI. And then the investment structure. So now you're outlining the proposed investment structure, such as the equity participation, as I was just speaking about, with 50-50%, but you bring in the money, I do all the work. Guys, you do things like this, you can stack and stack and stack and stack and stack. It's kind of crazy. That person will love you forever if you make them $30,000, $40,000, $50,000. The more you make them, the more they're going to lend you next time, right? So your investment structure is very important. Now let's go to the very end of it. You want to summarize all of the key points of your proposal. So this is how much I need. This is what, the amount you're going to be making back. This is the equity partnership. This is the work you're going to be doing, which is nothing, because you're giving me the money. This is the timeline of how long it's going to take me to get this job done. These are, materials that I'm looking at, and construct 3 different construction companies that I have that I vetted. Also, if you've done anything else, for other jobs that you've done, other flips that you've done, or any other investments that you own, please put that in this report as well. I'm not going too big into that because I know a lot of you are new and you're looking for new money, so this is really for you. And then at the end, you just want to basically put it as, thank you for considering my proposal. I'm confident, with the right funding and expertise and execution, we can capitalize on this lucrative real estate investment, and together we can work on more deals in the future. Your name, your business name, your contact info. And that's pretty much it. Short, sweet, simple, 6 minutes, get it done. All right. Best of luck. Anybody have a question, reach out.